Hi everyone, welcome to the laboratory hands-on number 13 of Certificate in Professional Certification. So the step or task in this hands-on are again like in the previous video, we need to modify privilege. In this case, instead of ACLs, there are security descriptors, where in the domain controller the corp DC to get access and using PowerShell, remoting and WME without requiring administrator privilege. So, in order to modify this security descriptor, obviously we need has a session with the domain admin privilege or administrator privilege in the domain control. Okay, the first step is obtain this kind of session. Let me use, for example, this SVC admin. It's perfect for get domain admin privilege with the run at such administrator. We can use CAD tools, Mimikatz, privilege debug. Right now, secure LSA pass the hash. Okay, the user is first of all is the domain is $corp money corp local, and the user it's going to be SVC admin. Finally, the AS key, I'm going to use this one for the previous lab. Yeah. Right now, we run a new CMD. Perfect, and exit. Amazing. So with this terminal or this command line, we impersonate a domain admin privilege. We are going to use the invisive shell script in order to bypass the AMSI restriction and Microsoft Defender. A new session with PowerShell that we can use for import module, say AD tools and AD module master Microsoft. Yes. The Active Directory PSD1, Power View, Power View. So for this lab, we need the raise script, raise PS1. So this module of PowerShell allow us modify the required security privilege. The first one is set remote WME, for the some account name, student 162. The second one is computer name, the corp DC name space on the target domain controller is root simv2 verbose. Imagine the corp. Okay, the privilege new ASL for the com. Perfect. Right now, with a new CMD for the user without administrator privilege, using PowerShell, we can execute GWME minus class Win32 operating system on computer name dcorp dc, yeah, like this. Operating system, yeah. We have privilege for invoke GWME. Nice. The second step is well, the first step is PowerShell remoting. Okay. To set PS remoting, set remote PS remoting. Yeah. Again, some account name. It's going to be student 162, and computer name is dcorp dc minus verbose. File with the following error: the E operation has been aborted because it is this is a typical exception. I hope. Yeah, I think I remember that there are something like this for new versions of domain controller up to 2016. I think that is an error, but we can check the privilege assigned to the user in this enter PS session to computer name dcorp dc. Yes. Oh yes, I know you like this. This is the student 162 with privilege to access to the domain controller, obviously without administrator rights, but we gain access to the server. Exit. So the last point is this one: retrieve an account hash from this dcorp dc without using administrator access, and use that to execute silver ticket attack to get code execution. Okay, so for this operation CLS, we can use set backdoor, set remote service abuse, service permission. I need to review the documentation. Is backdoor, but I don't remember. Add remote. Okay, it's add remote remote register backdoor. Though the computer name is dcorp dc, the domain $corp money corp local, trusty is trusty, yeah, student 162 minus verbose. Yeah. Okay, it seems that the backdoor trusted is assigned to the user. So right now we can try to get a remote machine account hash, get remote, but with yes, with another terminal, obviously, with this terminal that is of the user. So we need import module CAD tools race. So get register, get backdoor is get remote machine account hash. Computer name is dcorp dc $corp money corp local minus verbose. Imagine this is the account machine hash. So for this reason, say using administrator access and use that to execute a silver ticket attack to get code execution with WME. So with these credentials that are for the account machine, we can perform a double golden ticket, one of them for host service and the other one for RPCSS service, and gain access to execute remote command execute using WME. So we need to open a new terminal such administrator in order to create the golden tickets more faster, because yeah, we need to elevate token. Yeah, it's better using this via AD tools mimicat privilege debug LSA dump golden. So the parameters domain is $corp money corp local. Okay, user to impersonate is administrator. Yeah, the next parameter is we don't need use the user. Yeah, okay, we need the local SAD. The SAD yes, is the domain controller SAD. That is this one. So the target is the machine, the corp, DC, money corp, $corp, local. service is the first one is host. The RC4 is the previously obtained hash machine. Yeah. Okay. This is all. Nah, user is administrator. Right now start offset is 0 and end in is 600 for administrator. Renew max. Yeah, and pass the ticket, I think. LSA model. Yes, the module is Kerberos Golden, not LSA dump. Is Kerberos Golden. Yeah, the ticket is created and granted for this service, and the second service is going to be RPC SS. Yeah, exit. With the both tickets calist, we can invoke remote command execution PowerShell using GWME. Class is Win32. Operating system minus computer is the corp DC. So amazing, we can execute remote commands on the target server. Why? Because we create a silver ticket for WME. Okay, this is all for this lab. It's easy, as you can review. We are going to the number 14. Yeah, in the next video.